got something good to show you. This is good. Come and have a look at this. Years ago, Trafficators were used as indicators. Before indicators were built, classic cars had Trafficators, a little arrow thing that came out like this, okay? So if you look at the front of this car, there is no indicators on it. There's none. So before indicators were invented, cars had Trafficators. So we've had a little play and we've managed to get one working. And I'm going to show you one working now. They are fantastic. This is where they go, look, in this little hole. All right, so let's cut the film, go straight into the workshop, and I'll show you what I've just done. It's fantastic. Make sure you watch it. Right, this is the first Trafficator fixed. Hey! Right turn, please. What do you think of that then? All fixed. One to go, then we'll reinstall them on the car and we'll have indicators. Keep watching my channel. Thank you very much. Trying to get these straps on the seats in an A35. See the size of the straps, they're so short. I'm just going to give you this quick tip, just tapped onto that video. Use a pair of these and push them down. See, I've got two of these. So what we do is we attach it up the top here. Can you see that? 1, 2, see that? They're in, right? Then get it on a flat surface. Two of these, put them on there like that. All right, and then get someone just to push down. 1, 2, 3. There's one in. See how easy that is? And that's how you do it. I mean, it's difficult because you've really got to push them down hard, and they go in. That one's in as well. Just popped out, but you get the idea. You just use these things. It's in again. Just get around there, pull it in. There you go, done. That's how you get the seat straps on an A35 seat, because the supplier has said that a lot of people think they're too small, but they're not. They're actually the right size, and they go really tight, so you can fix your seat. These are what you need. All right, cheers.